Okay, here's how to change the band on an Intec M150 Plus. Start by turning the set off, hold the up button, turn the set back on, let go of the up button, then select either E1 for the Euro FM or AM bands, or U for UK. Once you've found the one you want, press and hold the down button for 2 seconds and you're ready to go.